Tire inflator, car vacuum and blower, replace 3 tools with 1. This portable air compressor inflates tires, 0160 psi, vacuums car interiors, 0.2 gallon dust cup, and blows debris with 20,000 RPM airflow. Perfect for roadside emergencies, camping trips, or garage cleanups. No more carrying separate devices. With industrial-grade motor and auto shutoff, one fully charged 4Ah battery can inflate 12 car tires, 195/60ths are 15, from 0 to 40 psi in just 4 minutes. Tackle truck, RV tires effortlessly. Digital gauge ensures plus or minus 1 psi accuracy for safe inflation. Choose wireless portability, 20V battery, sold separately, or continuous 12V car power, 14 feet cable. Ideal for off-road adventures or home storage, never stranded with dead batteries. Backlit screen displays real-time psi, bar, kPa, battery life, and mode status. Whisper quiet motor lets you inflate tires at night without disturbing neighbors. Bonus LED light illuminates dark workspaces. Ergonomic handle plus built-in hose storage slot. Includes 2-in-1 crevice nozzle, 3 inflation heads, tires, bikes, inflatables, and compact dust cup. Fits under car seats for on-the-go use.